Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with QuickBooks support. If you ever get stuck with a task, have a billing or feature question, or just want quick guidance without digging through articles, chatting directly with support is the fastest path. Start by opening QuickBooks in your web browser and heading to the main workspace. From there, navigate to the Get Things Done area. This is the hub where QuickBooks groups common actions and help options, and it's the easiest place to launch a conversation with support right from within the product, so you don't have to jump between pages. Once that page loads, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click Contact Expert. That button is your gateway to support. When you select it, a panel or window will open and guide you through starting a chat. You may see a brief field asking what you need help with. Keep your description short and specific, like reconciling a bank account difference or trouble connecting a payment method. Clear keywords help the system route you faster. As the chat begins, keep the QuickBooks tab open and avoid refreshing the page so you don't lose your place in the queue. If you're asked for basic account context, enter only what's requested on screen. For a smoother conversation, it helps to have a couple of details at hand, such as the exact page where you noticed the issue, the last action you took before the problem appeared, and any recent changes you made. If the chat allows attachments, screenshots that highlight the error message or setting you're looking at can save a lot of back and forth. While you wait to connect, jot down your goal for the session, what outcome you want by the end of the chat. That way, once you're connected, you can lead with a crisp one-sentence summary and then share any extra context only if the agent asks. Keep the tone friendly and concise. It speeds up troubleshooting. If the Contact Expert button doesn't appear right away, make sure your browser window isn't zoomed in so far that the top menu collapses off screen. And check that no pop-up blockers are hiding the panel. That's all there is to it. Go to QuickBooks, open the Get Things Done page, and click Contact Expert in the top right corner to launch a chat. Follow the prompts, share a focused description, and you'll be on your way to a quick resolution.